butterfly, green frog, bee, Tyrannosaurus Rex, cat, unicorn, gorilla, fly, ostrich, polar bear, green crocodile, pink hippopotamus, elephant, manta ray, spider, cheetah, dog, baby giraffe, panda, sea lion, rabbit, green turtle, zebra, dory, red lobster, tiger, yellow duck, starfish, kangaroo, clownfish, hammerhead shark, blue stingray, crocodile, red seal, pink dolphin. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on our next video.